Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do ribs in the crock pot. So for those of you who cringe at the thought of ribs being made in a crock pot, my family did too. My husband used to hate it as he loves to grill on his Kamado Joe on the weekends. But it's a great, easy way to make dinner for your family and to kind of put it in there and forget about it. They come out and you put the finishing touches on it. They are caramelized, they are juicy, they're great. So we're gonna start with about 3 pounds of ribs, pork ribs, and you don't have to do a dry rub on them. I like to do a dry rub. So we have our dish of rub here. We're gonna rub that into the meat really, really well. You can use any, pre-made rub that you have in your kitchen, or you can just do a little salt, little pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, maybe a little paprika in there. You want to make sure to go ahead and get the rub on both sides. If your ribs have that silver skin on the back, which mine was already removed, do go ahead and just take that off. Make sure to get the sides really well. Okay. Yeah, so on the weekends, my husband normally will grill some yummy, delicious meat or smoke it, or put it on the rotisserie on the Kamado Joe. So hopefully he will make an appearance here when he decides to do something on the grill. Great, so now we have our meat all nice and rubbed down with our dry rub. We are going to move over to our slow cooker. So we're gonna take this and we are going to put it meat side out along the rim of our slow cooker, just like that. I actually might go to the store and get more to add to this because I thought there'd be more than just those 3 pounds. So then what we're gonna do, I'll take you over here with me, is we are going to use some apple cider vinegar, some apple juice, and some barbecue sauce in there. And I'll tell you what it'll look like when we get it done. Okay, so we have a little bit more than a cup of apple juice. Now I have used everything from pineapple juice to orange juice. There's a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And then you can just put your barbecue sauce in there. Let it get all in there. Yum, yum, yum. Great. And then we are going to go ahead and whisk all that together. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more juice. I like it to actually come up about 1/4 of an inch. That's about good. Up along the ribs. We're gonna go ahead and set this on low for 8 hours. And you can do high for 4 hours if that's easier, if you're in a rush. And then I'll show you what we're gonna do when we take them out. All right, our ribs are all done. Get in there and take a nice look at them. They are sizzling and look beautiful. To finish these off, we're gonna go ahead and put a little olive oil on some aluminum foil. We're going to take them out. Oh, be careful, they're so delicate. They are really fall off the bone. Okay, we're going to get them on our foil. Hot, hot, hot. Flip them over like that. Oh, they smell so good. And we are going to do, I have just bottled Sweet Baby Ray's original barbecue sauce. And I also wanted to have this in here, y'all. I put the special shit from Big Cock Ranch on as my dry rub when we first put them in this morning. They have been cooking now for a full 8 hours on low. And we have our broiler set on our oven. We're gonna lather some barbecue sauce on. You cannot go wrong. So put on as much as you like. The more the better. And there we go. We're gonna go ahead and put these in the oven and we will take a look at them here in about 5 minutes. All right, y'all, it's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna pull these ribs out. Look how beautiful they look. And we're gonna go ahead and plate them on our platter, and dinner is served. All right, look how beautiful those are. And we're serving them with this kale salad and my stacked Parmesan potatoes you can find on my channel. Woo! Barbecue ribs.